why people will move towards vending machines rather than a store. Stores have evolved to become a location that offers physical experience to a consumer rather than simply being a location that offers physical handling. They are successfully moving retail space closer to a customer. Fundamentally, vending machines have been motivated by the desire to move products from a store into an environment where a customer works, lives, and plays. Customers in today's time have come to expect a retail experience that is closer to their individual preference so that they can complete their shopping in timely manner. All thanks to increased deployment and advancement in technologies. They anticipate solutions that provide minimal human interaction and avoids the hassles of traditional retail processes. To put it in another way, they want automated retailing for seamless shopping experience. Customers are tapping on their phone rather than dragging around their shopping carts. And instead of brick and mortar, the products are being sold through refrigerator-sized box, that is the smart vending machine, which are bringing the smart revolution in the retail sector.